Welcome to Priceless Peace, your sanctuary for quick and effective meditations that fit into your busy lifestyle. In just 3 minutes, we'll guide you through a simple yet powerful meditation technique to calm your body, reduce stress, and help you feel more centered. Whether you're new to meditation or just short on time, this practice is perfect for you. Brief pause. Find a quiet place, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Beginning meditation. Start by finding a comfortable place to sit. You can be on a chair, on the floor, or even in your office seat, anywhere that feels right for you. Close your eyes gently, and let your shoulders relax. Pause. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment. And then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all the tension in your body. As you continue to breathe deeply, focus on the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Pause. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nostrils and filling your lungs. Notice how your body feels as you breathe out, letting go of any stress and anxiety. Imagine that with each exhale, you're releasing all the worries and distractions that have been weighing you down. Body scan. Now, bring your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your awareness down to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Notice any areas of tension, and with each exhale, imagine that tension melting away. Pause. Continue to scan down to your chest, abdomen, and legs. Feel the relaxation spreading through your entire body as you breathe out, letting go of any stress or tightness. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet, feeling the ground supporting you. Take a moment to appreciate this connection to the earth, grounding you in this present moment. Conclusion. Now, take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, open your eyes gently. Take a moment to notice how calm and refreshed you feel. Remember, this peaceful state is always within you, just a few breaths away. Brief pause. If you enjoyed this quick meditation, be sure to check out more resources on our YouTube channel for more guided meditations and wellness practices. Call to action. Don't forget to subscribe to Priceless Peace for more quick and effective meditations that fit into your busy schedule. Like this video if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments how you're feeling after this short practice. Thank you for joining us today. Have a wonderful and peaceful day ahead.